Hello everyone, welcome back to our crochet basic series. So far we have learned a chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet and a treble crochet stitch. So in today's video we are going to learn another very useful stitch called the slip stitch. So the slip stitch is the shortest crochet stitch. It's often used to join rounds, move across your work without adding height, and create neat edges. I have already made some chain stitch as our foundation chain. Okay, so we will start to make slip stitch. For the slip stitch we need to find our very next stitch. So this is our next stitch. So we will insert the hook, then yarn over, pull the loop, then we need to pull this loop through this stitch. See, we made our slip stitch. We can do it again. Okay, we will insert the hook, yarn over, pull the loop, then yarn over, pull the same loop through the stitch as well. Okay, we made our chain stitch, slip stitch. Okay, then insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch and through the loop on your hook. We will practice it again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the loop, then pull through the loop on your hook. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through again to the loop. See, this is our first row of the slip stitch. See, the slip stitch is even shorter than our single crochet stitches. So you might be wondering, like, where should we use this slip stitch? So let me tell you the common uses. Talking about the most common use of the slip stitch is, the first one is we can make a neat border by using the slip stitch. Like if you are making any kinds of any square shapes project, or any like dress or cardigan, anything, you can weave the border by using the slip stitch. Like it will give a neat edges. And another one is finishing many more crochet project. Like you will see the slip stitches in lots of crochet patterns, especially for hats, granny squares, rosters and amigurumi project. So the another common use is we can join the crochet pieces together by using the slip stitch. Like if I want to crochet this treble crochet and the double crochet stitches together, I can use slip stitch to join these two crochet projects. Let's say I am making a crochet dress. Like I made a dress and I made a sleeve separately. So if I want to make the sleeve, like I want to attach the sleeve with the dress, I can use a slip stitch to attach the sleeve with the dress. So today we have learned how to make the slip stitch. It is one of the simplest but most useful crochet techniques. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy crocheting.